Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can redeem your Hulu gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.hulu.com/gift. So once you type this URL, you need to simply press the enter button and you will end up in its official website. So here you can redeem your gift by entering your given code. So you can find your gift code on the backside of your gift card and simply press on the redeem button. So once you do this, you can simply redeem your gift on your Hulu gift card website. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.